Hey guys, welcome back. This is Chris Donnelly with Guarantee RV Centers here in Junction City, Oregon. They say good things come in small packages, and I'm going to show you what that is. That's going to be the Winnebago Forza. This is the 34T, a very high demand floor plan, and I'll show you why. Let's go inside. All right, upon entering the Winnebago Forza here, you're going to think something's missing, but it's not. You've got a lot of room in this family room for a 34-foot coach. Coming in here looking over, you've got a nice big TV right above a fireplace that does put out heat. Coming into the spacious cockpit here, we're on the updated Freightliner chassis, which puts more controls in your hands at an easier reach. You're going to love the all-digital dash. So easy to read, high contrast, and makes for a wonderful driving experience. In the living room here, you've got theater seating with available USB plugs on each side. Stay connected and relax. A nice big booth dinette. And as you can see, the wood in here is appointed nicely. You got wonderful wood grains at every corner, contrasting nice with the very subtle color of the furniture itself. Now coming over here to the galley, again, you're in a 34-foot coach. And this is a lot of counter space in here. Everything's very modern, very clean, very easily accessible. You've got a nice big residential fridge, and right next to it, you've got the availability of a washer-dryer hookup. In your bedroom here, this is your haven. You've got lots of storage. Everything feels really warm and very inviting. Lots of room to move around the bed. This is something you can take a long trip in and not feel closed in. Now going to the outside, everything you expect from Winnebago, lots of storage in a nice tight package. Things are easy to access, even things to maintain on your own. There is just so much to go over here on this rig. But the beauty of this here is driving this coach. This thing drives so nice. You're going to love the experience all the way around. Guys, thanks for joining me on this tour of the 34T by Winnebago. This is a fantastic floor plan. I'm sure you're able to fall in love with, just not from the video, but from in person too. Come on in, check it out, ask for Chris. I'm happy to show it to you.